God, you guys. Oh God, you guys. Oh God. Oh God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Damn!
What am I supposed to do?
Jake, what just happened? Jake, what just happened?
We just took a big wave over the port side.
Just seconds apart, two 40-foot waves broke over the deck of the Saga.
Oh God, you guys. Oh God, you guys. Oh God.
The first submerged the starboard rail just as the second wave hit, nearly capsizing the boat.
Wow. I've never had that happen to me before.
Mikey, Nick, and Brandon were swimming.
What's your problem, dude?
Hey, the only thing
You, dude, I almost went over.
I know the only thing I can do is
No,
back
you don't
down.
know.
Yes, I do know.
You, dude, shut her down or take me to town.
All I can do is try
It's
and
not
back
worth
down.
killing somebody over.
Yeah, no, that was up, dude. There's no reason
I'm a
that front
6-foot
page
man
should
and
be
it's
fucking
over my
flat.
head.
Hey, dude.
I don't mean to yell. I'm sorry. I know
No,
it's
you
not your
do.
fault,
You
but
just
that was
I'm
up,
still
dude.
shaking too. But listen, when it came, only thing I could do is nail her in reverse as hard as I could. And that's a rogue wave. There's been nothing like that come on to the boat today.
I'm sorry for yelling.
No, that scared the shit out of me. That was horrible. That was close. And if anything happened to anybody, I'd be sick to my stomach. It'd be the end of my career.